Hi, I'm Congressman Steve Stivers. Welcome back to the Ask Steve video series. Mark from the Plains asked what Congress is doing to help with healthcare costs. He was really supportive of the reconciliation bill that passed in January that I voted for. That bill would have removed provisions from the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, that involved the individual mandate, the employer mandate, the Independent Payment Advisory Board, the medical device tax, and the so-called Cadillac tax that taxes people that have good insurance. I voted for that bill, and we passed that bill. We passed it in the House and the Senate. Sadly, the president vetoed that bill. I'm going to continue to move forward to support market-driven, patient-centered reforms that put the patients in the driver's seat, increase transparency on cost and quality in our healthcare system so that we can make prices go down and quality go up and people get affordable access to healthcare. And we've got to continue to drive forward with market-driven approaches where people ask the one question nobody's asking in healthcare: how much does it cost? We also need to make sure that we encourage and support innovation. The medical device tax is killing medical innovation in this country, and that means it's killing life-saving cures and life-saving treatments that can transform somebody's quality of life and let them live a better life. We clearly spend too much in this country on healthcare. We've got to focus on the real crisis in healthcare, and that's a crisis of cost. Some of that's driven by government bureaucracy. It costs about $2 billion to get a drug approved by the Food and Drug Administration, and then it costs more to get the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services to actually approve paying for those drugs and devices. So we've got to actually transform government to help reduce that burden. Mark, I really appreciate you asking the question about healthcare. I'm going to continue to drive forward with real reforms that I think will make healthcare accessible and affordable to all people. Thanks for writing in for Ask Steve, and if you are interested, you can use the hashtag AskSteve and send us a question and we'll answer it on the Ask Steve video series.